Sony's next big earbuds might be sneaking up on us, and the leaks are getting loud. Hello and welcome to GadInsider. Welcome to your hub of latest tech news. Fresh leaks suggest the Sony WF-1000XM6 true wireless earbuds are closer than ever, ending a long wait that stretched more than 2 years since the WF-1000XM5 launched. Fans have spotted new clues popping up across retailer databases and parts catalogs, and together they paint a pretty clear picture that Sony's flagship buds are warming up for a 2026 debut. The latest tip comes from the Walkman blog, which uncovered WF-1000XM6 replacement parts listed on Encompass Parts website. The listings include components in black and silver, hinting strongly at least 2 launch colors. Even more interesting is a February 27, 2026 shipping date attached to the parts, which lines up neatly with rumors of a reveal shortly after CES 2026. Now, to be fair, parts listings sometimes use placeholder dates, but when multiple leaks start pointing in the same direction, it's usually not random. Sony also has a history of tight release cycles, and with the W1000XM6 over-ear headphones already out, the timing feels right for their true wireless sibling to follow. As for specs, Sony is staying quiet, but earlier certification filings have hinted at potential upgrades like DC Ultimate Audio upscaling, which could deliver richer, more detailed sound than the current generation. That's the kind of feature that gets audiophiles paying attention. So what's the takeaway? If you're eyeing a premium earbud upgrade, you may want to hit pause just a bit longer. All signs now point to early 2026 as Sony's next big wireless moment, and the WF-1000XM6 will be worth the wait. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Imagine earbuds that make games feel like you're in the battlefield and music like you're front row at a concert. Sony's WF-1000XM5 and Apple's AirPods Pro 3 are blowing up for their spatial audio magic. Wanna know why? Let's dive into the future of sound. Spatial audio is like surround sound in your ears, creating a 3D experience that pulls you into the moment. Add world-class active noise cancellation, and these earbuds are perfect for gaming, music, or just zoning out. X is buzzing with love for these, and today we're unpacking the Sony WF-1000XM5 and AirPods Pro 3. Ready to see what makes these earbuds so epic? Let's go! First, the Sony WF-1000XM5. These are the kings of audio. Their 360 reality audio delivers insane spatial sound, making every track feel live. Gamers on X are obsessed with how they nail directional audio in games like Fortnite. With best-in-class noise cancellation, 8 hours of battery life, and a lightweight design, these are a dream for audiophiles and gamers alike. Now, the AirPods Pro 3. Apple's H3 chip powers spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, so the sound follows your head. Perfect for movies and Apple Music. X users say they're unreal for gaming on iPhones with 0 lag. They offer 6 hours of battery life, upgraded ANC, and seamless Apple integration. If you're Team Apple, these are your earbuds. So why do these earbuds matter? They're not just tech, they're an experience. Sony's WF-1000XM5 is for those who crave premium audio and versatility across devices. AirPods Pro 3, they're the ultimate pick for Apple fans and iPhone gamers. Both are incredible, but which one's your style? Drop your pick in the comments. The Sony WF-1000XM5 and AirPods Pro 3 are rewriting the rules of audio. Tell us below, Sony or Apple? And don't miss more gadget goodness. Subscribe to GadInsider and tap that bell icon for the latest tech updates. JBL just dropped the Tour 1 M3 at CES 2025, a flagship headphone with a touchscreen Bluetooth transmitter that's got Rolling Stone saying Sony and Apple should watch out, noise cancelling that kills, and call clarity that pops. Ready to hear why this gadget's trending? Let's dive in. What's up, Tech Fam? Welcome back to the channel. JBL's Tour 1 M3 headphones just hit shelves this month after a CES debut that's still echoing. With a slick Bluetooth transmitter and a vibe, people call it a legit rival to Sony's XM5 and Apple's AirPods Max. These cans are buzzing for their noise-canceling chops and call quality. We're unpacking it all. Let's roll! So what's the Tour 1 M3? Picture CES 2025. JBL flips the script with over-ears, packing a JBL First, Smart TX, a touchscreen Bluetooth transmitter. It's a tiny box that hooks up to anything: planes, TVs, your old Walkman, via USB-C or 3.5mm beaming lossless audio straight to your headphones. X post from CES went nuts. Posts like, It's like my AirPods Max grew a brain. Launched on April 1st, they're out now for $400 with the transmitter, $350 without. Sources are hyped, saying these 40mm mica dome drivers deliver deep bass and crisp highs to rival Sony and Apple. 8 mics power true adaptive noise cancelling 2.0. Think real-time noise killing. And 4 beamforming mics makes calls crystal clear, even in chaos. Oh, and 70 hours of battery? Yes, please. Why is this trending hard? JBL swinging at the big dogs. Sony's WH-1000XM6 and Apple's AirPods Max own the noise-canceling crown. But people are saying the M3's adaptive ANC 2.0 outshines in urban jungles. Think buses, planes, screaming kids, all gone. People are saying, called my boss from a packed train and it sounded like a studio. That's Smart TX. It's a game changer. Touch controls for playback, EQ tweaks, even Auracast to share audio with buds. Add a 5-minute charge for 5 hours and it's built for marathons. Sources calling it the travel companion Sony and Apple wish they had made. JBL's not messing around. Let's keep it real. There's a catch. That $400 price with the transmitter? Steep. Sony's XM5 is $399. Apple's Max is $549, but neither has this wireless trick. Without Smart TX, it's $350, still premium. X posts note the app's Personified 3.0 12-band EQ via a hearing test is dope, but finicky if you're not techie. Noise cancelling's top tier, but some say Sony edges out in dead silence. Still, the perks. That call clarity is Zoom certified. 4 mics plus AI kill background noise like champs. And spatial 360 audio with head tracking. Movies and games feel like VR. Early adopters on X are hooked, saying, Apple who? JBL's my flex. Here's the deal. The Tour 1 M3 hit shelves April 2025 and it's a vibe. CES 2025 crowned it a flagship killer. Sources aren't wrong calling it a Sony and Apple rival. If you're a traveler, gamer, or just hate noise, this could be your upgrade. The transmitter's a wild card. Plug it into anything and cut the cord. Summer's here and JBL's betting big. Will it dethrone the giants? Xbuzz says it's close. At $400, it's a splurge. But for noise cancelling and call clarity this good, it might just be worth it. Team JBL, Sony, or Apple, where you at? Drop your pick in the comments. Back in 2015, Bose released a set of wired earbuds called the SoundTrue Ultra earbuds that were among our favorite sounding Bose products. They were discontinued a few years ago, but Bose brought back the Ultra name for its new flagship Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds and Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones. At $429, the latter are Bose's most expensive headphones to date. Not surprisingly, they're very good. But are they better than Sony WH-1000XM6, Apple's AirPods Max, and some other premium noise-canceling headphones in this price range? Let's get right into this review so we can try to answer that for you. QC Ultra headphones design is totally new. It's sort of a cross between the Bose's previous flagship model, the noise-canceling headphone 700, and the Quiet Comfort 45s, which have morphed into a new $350 model the Bose has simply named the Quiet Comfort headphones. The headphone 700 had some metal parts, but the QC Ultra headphones incorporate an aluminum yoke and arms that slide into the headband. Another upgrade is their dual hinge design, so they are both folding up and folding flat, which allows them to have a smaller carrying case than the headphone 700 and the Sony WH-1000XM6s, both of which only fold flat. Just be careful not to get your finger caught in the Ultra's hinge, which I did a couple of times and got an unpleasant pinch. The headphones feel durable and are surprisingly lightweight at 254 grams, just a couple more grams than the headphone 700. The Sony WH-1000XM5 weighed 249 grams, while the much heavier AirPods Max tipped the scales at 385 grams. Bose's reps revealed that the QC Ultras are designed to fit a wider range of head types, and like other Bose headphones, they're quite comfortable to wear. They did clamp slightly more than the Sonys, but I was able to wear them for a couple of hours straight without a problem. Like other over-ear headphones, they will steam up your ears if you wear them around in warm environments. It's also worth mentioning that the black version of the headphones can end up showing some smudges if you have any grime on your hands or just have oily skin. The white smoke version doesn't. I like their controls. The QC Ultra Ultra headphones feature a mix of physical control buttons along with a raised capacitive touch volume strip on the right ear cup that's easy to reach and use by feel alone. The main multifunction button on the headphones allows you to pause and play your audio with a single tap, skip tracks forward with a double tap, and skip them back with a triple tap. Holding the button down lets you toggle through full noise cancelling, an awareness mode, and an immersion mode that activates full noise cancelling along with Bose's new spatial audio feature with head tracking that it calls immersive audio. There's also a touch and hold gesture from the volume strip that's customizable as a shortcut. You can choose to map it to one of 4 functions: hear battery level, change immersive audio, cycle through still, motion, and off settings, access your voice assistant, and resume Spotify. While Bose mentions that both this over-ear Ultra model and its new QC Ultra earbuds feature world-class noise cancellation, and they certainly do, the real feature it's hyping this go-around is immersive audio, its custom version of spatial audio. Bose says immersive audio goes beyond special effects and creates a wider, more spacious soundstage, so your content becomes multi-dimensional and layered, regardless of the audio platform or device. Like other headphones that feature spatial audio, Apple's latest AirPods for instance, the QC Ultra headphones and the QC Ultra earbuds have 2 spatial audio modes, one still mode without head tracking engaged, and a motion mode that uses head tracking and allows the audio to move with you, so it's always in front of you. Bose says it works with movies and any stereo track, but it's really designed for music listening. Using the immersive audio feature does widen the soundstage, creating the illusion that your audio is more outside your head. It works better with some tracks than others, but it does open the sound a bit, giving it an airier quality. Most people will probably choose to mostly leave it on, but the downside is that engaging it does impact battery life significantly. The headphones are rated for up to 24 hours of battery life at moderate volume levels with noise cancelling on, but the number dips to 18 hours with immersive audio engaged. The Aware mode is equivalent to Apple's Transparency mode, and it sounds quite natural with almost no audible hiss. There's also a new Active Sense feature that kicks in some ANC should the sound get too loud around you. A horn blast, for instance, or a construction worker's jackhammer. That's similar to the AirPods Pro 2's adaptive audio feature that isn't available for the AirPods Max because it requires Apple H2 chip, which isn't present in that model. As we said, holding down the multifunction button allows you to toggle through 3 sound modes. Thanks to Wear sensors in the ear cups, when you take the headphones off your ears, your audio will pause and resume playback when you put them back on. Beyond that, if you set your headphones down somewhere and forget to turn them off, they'll go into sleep mode to conserve battery life. While the QC Ultra earbuds still lack multi-point Bluetooth pairing, Bose is still working on adding that feature, which allows you to connect to 2 devices simultaneously and switch audio between them. Both the Ultra models are LE audio ready, which means they can be upgraded via a firmware update to include LE audio features such as Auracast that would allow you to tune into audio broadcasts over Bluetooth, say from a TV at your gym for music while you're working out. LE Audio Standard also includes support for the LC3 audio codec.